Hey everyone, Extreme here. So yes, let's go through our daily update and see which coins has been moving and what we might be buying. First of all, I'm going to start with 𝙏𝙖𝙑. Yesterday I bought it on a green line right down here, and currently it's up 3.3%. Not too bad. I don't have any stop losses in. I'm doing spot trading and I have take profit in at $382. Where's this coin gonna go? Will it reach it? Well, time will tell. But let's see which ones was the big movers the last 24 hours. Let's see change. Seeing a lot of red today, but yes, we still got some green. Let's see, Rune coin moving nicely. No option to buy for me, but let's see if there was any news for this one. Any news around it? Not lately, just some tweets, nothing major. Let's see, here's one article. Let's see if there's any news regarding it. Let me see, Rune coin. Yes, 4chain. Rune has been increasing since bouncing off a parabolic ascending support line on 25th of March. While the rate of increase is not sustainable, Rune has not yet shown significant weakness. The next resistance areas are around $10.50 to $12.50. So yes, so we still got the opportunity for it to go to $12.50. A close below the parabolic ascending support line would invalidate this position. So Rune's been moving nicely, up 11% the last 24 hours, and it looks like it has a possibility to move up to around 12.50 mark. It might just keep on going. Let's see the next big mover, Filecoin. Filecoin has been moving nicely up, 8% up in the last 24 hours. Let's see if there's any news supporting it moving up. Let's see developments. So no real news regarding it. Just a few tweets and a video here and there. No significant news I can see on Filecoin in the last 24 hours. Just more or less indication of where this coin might be going. So let's see what they're saying. Filecoin. No, it's just mentioned in this article. No major news. So it's just been moving as the market sees it and finds it as a potential coin. And the benefit of Filecoin is also it has a use, and that makes a huge difference. So let's see. Engine coin. Someone asked about it yesterday as well. So let's see, it moved nicely up and came back down. Let's see if there's any news supporting it today. Engine coin. Just a bit of tweets regarding it. No real news on this stage. So yes, just some tweets, no news in the last 24 hours. So it's moving nicely in a direction. $3.40 at this current stage. It was on a high of 360 already. So a good parabolic move. Let me see. So Engine Coin up 5% the last 24 hours. Sol Coin, Solano. A lot of talk about this coin, a lot of possibilities it has. So let's see any news regarding that. Tweets. Yes, here's a bit of news. Let's see what it's saying. Sol Coin. Is there anything? So based on the price chart on chain metrics, Sol may follow in the footsteps and the narrative of Eve. There's also a popular option on social media and crypto Twitter. Just as ETC and Sol are rallying forward, the momentum is carrying Tether price forward. This price was up nearly 8% yesterday after the bloodbath, and after the following recovery, it is currently at the same level as it was 2 weeks ago. So if Sol's gonna follow the footpaths of Eve, where is the possibility of this coin? Where will it stop? Let's see how many of these coins there's in the market. Solano 2854. So in circulation, we got 268 million of a possible 492. So it's around 50%, just underneath 40% of this coin in the market. So there's also a possibility it might come down as the rest of the coins gets released. But they're putting it up there with a massive future if they reckon this coin can follow the footpath of Eve. Let's see, Hyber. What news has there been about this coin? Any news? Just a bunch of different tweets regarding it. Let's see if there's any news supporting it lately. Yeah. Yes, there's a bit of news. It seems like only a matter of time till 𝙏𝙗 hash graph lost out to the 30-cent range support on the 4-hour chart. So far, the aforementioned level has defended and sell off on multiple occasions over the last 25 days, but signs were present in the market. Trading volumes were on a decline over the last few days, while the OBV drifted lower after a constant uptrend seen during March. So earlier the week, it did defend the 30-cent level and it went back up. A lot of potential. We might see this keep on going back to this 36-cent level. Retest. If it breaks through, we might see more all-time highs again. Might be a good one to keep an eye on. Up 4% in the last 24 hours. Luna coin. A lot of coins moving lately. Any news on Luna? Just a few tweets regarding them. No news which I can see. So Luna coin has been moving without any news currently. Interesting. Let's see if there's anything supporting it regarding the coin. See, only 30% more or less of the total coins in supply, and it's been dropping a little. Price 16, let's say this 24, been up and down. Not much I can see that's going to push this coin currently, but it's looking good. Profits. VeChain, almost 6% moving yet again. This coin just keeps on moving. Let's see if something pushed it into that direction lately. There seems to be a bit of news a few hours ago. Let's see what I said about VeChain. So VeChain, the 27% extension level for a move for VeChain from the past lay at 10 cents. This level was tested and support in recent hours, and VeChain found some demand above the 10 cent mark and bounced past the 11 cent level and traded currently at 12 cents. The EMA ribbon showed bullish momentum behind VeChain, with the alt price candles found above the same. The rune indicators showed that the rune up was once more on top, indicating that another leg upwards has been initiated. So, VeChain has potential to move up a little bit more. Currently, we don't have any major levels where it can go to, since it's just been moving non-stop the last few months. It has a big breakout. Are we going to buy it at its current all-time high? It's a tough one, but one to keep our eyes on for sure. EGL, eGold. Elrond. Let's see, any news for Elrond, which has also been moving rapidly, as you can see, since it came onto Binance. Above all possible support levels currently. So let's see, any news? Yes. Let's see if I can find anything that's interesting regarding it, or giving it a reason to move up. Let me just see, nothing in there. Tweets. Pokemon NFT dragons fly to Elrond blockchain. That interesting. Pokemon NFT dragons fly to Elrond blockchain. Now why? In a 7up Pro announcement, the creators of the popular Pokemon NFT collection of animated dragons and other creators stated that it has entered into a long-term partnership to bring the manifold universe of Pokemon to Elrond. This is big news. The project cites gas fees and the primary reason for making the switch. These particular NFTs, backed by the Polkadot-powered Polkastar exchange, are minted on the Ethereum network. So Pokemon moving to the Elrond blockchain, that could be a reason to push this price up a lot. Something to keep an eye on. Let's see, it's way above any buy levels for me, due to the fact that we are in a bull market. But keep an eye on it, who knows. STX, Blockstack. This is another coin with a lot of potential lately. Let's see if there was any news regarding it the last 24 hours. It seems just like we might have had a market update. Let's see what it's saying about it. Stacks, STX. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool for Stacks' recent surge, some levels of prominence were highlighted. The price found support at the 61.8 retrace level at 157. Following 157 was down here. So it bounced off that level, moved back up, following which it soon bounced to trade above the 50 retrace level. The MACD was on verge of climbing above zero, but the trading volume has receded. In February, stocks surged from 44 cents to $1.12 in early March and spent most of the month consolidating between 112 and 134. A similar consolidation for STX could play out in the weeks to come. So will we see different levels? Will it move, or will it start moving sideways? So the last one in the top 10 is Zcash. I haven't seen this coin in quite a while, and it's moving. So let's see, is there any news behind it? Or is it just moving? Yes, we got some analysts 2 days ago, is the latest news regarding it. Let's see what it happens and where they reckon it could go. So Zcash, the crypto market's premier privacy coin, failed to protect the rest of the altcoin market's recent bullishness. In fact, like Bitcoin, the altcoin has fallen on the chart significantly, with its depreciation worth over 10%. In a matter of just over 36 hours, it's worth nothing. However, that Zcash has recovered all of its losses from the market-wide depreciation in March thanks to its movement soon after. Well, it did drop quite a bit. The bearishness in the Zcash market was underlined by the findings of its technical indicators, as while the relative strength index was dipping towards the oversold zone. To highlight growth and seller strength, the awesome later picture a fall in the market momentum. So yes, 2 days ago we did see this massive fall, but we had a great rebound, and this rebound already is up around 16% since the fall. Not too bad in 2 days and 7 hours. That's profits in the bag. But yes, the technical analyst on Zcash doesn't sound too promising. Up about 4% the last 24 hours and still rising. Will I get back in or will I not? What's your thoughts on it? So leave in the comments requests of coins I can look forward. As the rest of the coins, I'm just gonna run through and see if there's any quick opportunities. Are we going to see retracements on any of these coins to give us opportunities to buy some? Or are they still going to stay in the bull market? One thing about crypto, patience is key. Market coin, maker coin, just been around forever. Dot. What's the Polkadot coin doing today? Hovering around. I'm planning to buy Polkadot when it falls back to the $37 mark. Let's see. Ivy I already bought yesterday, right here on 354, which was a pretty good buy at that stage. Well, in profit and needs to move up a little bit more, and I'll take profit on it. FTT, rapid moves in the market. Bitcoin Cash, probably the most volatile coin. So no opportunities presenting itself today. We've seen a bit of news between all the coins, some good movements, and we're seeing a lot of red currently. which I don't mind. I like it when coins drop, so it gives us opportunities to buy more. And here's one I'm gonna buy today. Terra I'm gonna buy. I wanted to buy at 12.32. It's a little bit above it, so I'm gonna put a buy order in for Terra token. Let's see if we got a so I'm buying some Terra tokens on the current market price. Let's go, yeah. And I'm gonna put myself, let's see what I'm doing. Yes. Alright, buy market, buy some Terra. Okay. Buy order is in, and I'm gonna put myself, it's right at the new all-time high. I'm gonna sell it at 14.95. I don't put any stop losses in since I don't mind and I'm doing spot trading. But yes, I just bought Terra and I've just put in my stop loss. As you can see, the coins has been bought and my stop loss is in, and now I just let it run. So yes, I bought some Terra token, the first buy for the day. Let's see if there's anything else that's creating opportunity. Cake from PancakeSwap, the utility coin for Binance. This coin is also just reaching all-time highs non-stop currently. XLM, Stellar coin, taking on Ripple or the replacement. See near, no opportunity yet. Tron had a massive run. Will it reach its all-time high of around 29 cents? Or will we see the pullback all the way down again? BitTorrent also had a massive move, but coming currently back. And then XRP, down quite a lot today. No massive indication of buy levels for me yet. Now I'll wait for it to drop more. So yes, we've gone through the top 50 coins currently in market cap that's not stable coins, and that's on Binance. I put the buy order in, a market buy on Terra token, and I'm letting it run. Let me just mark it so we can come back and know for sure where I bought it and when. It was there, and the average price I bought it on was 12.46. So let's put the line in so we can keep an eye on it as we work through it. It was 12.46.528. That was my average buy. So yes, let's see where it goes. I bought some Terra token. Will it rise or will it not? And I did put my take profit at a new all-time high. Have a great weekend everyone. Enjoy it. Take care.